Hi, welcome back. This is Noble. Now we'll practice 20 minutes meditation and sit on a comfortable chair or a cushion. So keep your straight your back and sit straight position and be in a lotus position and let us start practicing. So if you are wearing glasses, so remove the glasses and let us focus on this meditation and let's learn it. And we'll learn 360 mindfulness. So let's close our eyes and I will give instructions. You have to close your eyes continuously. You have to practice morning and evening. Okay, so let's start. Close your eyes. So focus on your nostrils, like two nostrils. See, when you're breathing in, you have to breathe through your nostrils. When you're breathing in, so where is touching the air when it goes inside the nostrils? When it goes out of the nostrils, where it touches, which part of the nostril it touches. Keep breathing, natural breath. Keep doing it. Your mind might go into past memories. Something happened, somebody said this thing, somebody said that. Or it might go into future, this will happen. But our mind, we have never understood and learned to remain in present moment. We have never mastered the present moment, that everything is happening in present moment. If we learn to be master of now, we can do anything. Okay, so see where is it touching, where when it comes inside your nostrils, where it is touching, when it is going out of your nostrils, where it is touching. Natural breath, simple breath. Okay, your mind will wander here and there. It will not remain in this moment because you have never trained your mind this way to remain in the present moment. It is always either in past memories or the future memories, future things which will happen. It has never learned to remain in the present moment. So you have to become a master of now, master of this moment, and that is through this mindfulness practice. So see where it is touching, when it is coming inside the nostrils, when it is going outside the nostrils, where it is touching. So if your mind is wandering in past or present, or it's like monkey mind, going branch after the branch, this branch, that branch. So you have to bring it back to the nostrils with compassion, love, and persistent. You have to be persistent, patience. You need to have patience. You have to bring it back. See where it is touching when it is coming to the nostrils, air, where it is touching when it is going outside. So be the master of now. In this moment, where is this air which is coming right now? Where is it touching when it goes inside the nostrils? When it goes outside the nostrils, where it is touching? So you need to be aware about that moment, that specific point of touch only. It's like a security guard who knows, observes when somebody comes in, he's aware, he's not reacting, he's not doing anything, he is just observing when somebody comes, somebody goes, he is aware, he is conscious, he is full aware. So similarly, you have to be like a security guard at your nostrils. You need to see when air comes, where it touches, when it goes out, where it touches. So you need to focus on that. So it's like you need to be in this moment, in this present moment. No past moment, no future moment, only present moment. You have to be master of now. You have to be master of present moment. See where it is touching when it is coming in. See where it is touching when it is going out. So keep your eyes closed, sit straight, don't move around, keep your body still. Don't move your body, don't move your fingers, hands, legs. Be still and observe the breath where it is touching like a scientist. He is not reacting when he does some experiment, it fails or passes, but he is just observing and writes his observations. He goes deep into the root cause of the problem and then finds the problem and then solution accordingly. So see where is the air touching when it comes inside the nostrils, when it goes outside the nostrils, where it is touching. Be observing like a scientist, like an artist. You need to know the details of drawing or painting. Similarly, you need to know the details where it is touching. Just be aware, observe like a scientist. Observe when air comes inside, where it touches, when it goes outside, where it touches. So keep observing, mind will wander. So bring back mind to this moment at nostrils where it is touching the air when it goes inside, and when it goes outside where it is touching. So bring your mind, if it wanders here and there, past or future, this thing or that thing, good thing or bad thing, be non-judgmental. Don't judge yourself, don't judge your performance. Just be compassionate to bring your mind back to the nostrils where air is touching right now when it comes in. So where it is touching when it is going out, where it is touching. Just be mindful. Just keep observing like a scientist. Keep observing. See where it is touching. Natural breath, simple breath. Okay. Keep observing. Keep observing. So keep observing where it is touching when it comes in, where it is touching when it goes out. Keep observing like a scientist, artist. See the details of breath, where it is touching. Only you need to be aware only at nostrils when air touches the nostrils, where it is touching, where it is going.